Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to turn on Safe Search in your Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to turn on Safe Search on your Google Chrome browser, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then tap on this three dot in top right side corner. Then tap on settings. Scroll down. Here you will find privacy and security. You have to just tap on that. Again you have to scroll down. Under security you will find safe browsing. Just tap on that. Here you will find three options: enhanced protection, standard protection, and the third one is no protection. If you select this option, there will be no safe search protection will be on. So if you want to on your safe search, you have to select enhanced protection. If you select standard protection, then this safe search protection will be medium. So better option is you have to just select enhanced protection. That's it guys. So in this way you can turn on safe search in your Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.